You know, just roll up and be like, I'm here. Let's eat. What are we waiting for? You know? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I absolutely love doing videos like this. I'm showing you guys a couple of different lipstick combinations for the holidays, for Thanksgiving. Alright, you know it's fall. I love the fall weather and the colors and the browns. So I was like, you know what? It's almost Thanksgiving, and let me share how you can pop through on Thanksgiving and have your aunties and your cousins looking at you like, oh, she brand new this year, she different. Yes, because of my lippies, that's why. A lot of people tend to forget, you know, Thanksgiving and skip right on to Christmas. No, we're going to enjoy the oranges and the fall colors and the browns. Today I'm showing you guys 2 to 3 different lipstick combinations, brown lipstick combinations for chocolate girls, brown skin girls, light skin girls, even my Caucasian girls. Yes, these lip combinations will work for you. So if you guys want to see exactly what I do to achieve my fall brown lippy 90s, you know the 90s had the great lipsticks. But anyway, yeah, if you guys want to see exactly what I do to get my perfect brown lippy for the fall and Thanksgiving, keep on watching. So for this first lip combo, I am going to line my lips with Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Damned. Okay, if you have a lip liner, a dark lip liner such as Chestnut from MAC, I can't locate it, so that's why I'm using a liquid lipstick. But with liquid lipsticks, you can basically do the same thing as a lip liner, okay? So I'm going to line my lips with this. Filling in the corners. This is what it should look like so far. And then I'm going to take, this is one of my favorite brown lippies. I bought it when this collection first came out from ColourPop, and it's the Karrueche Brown Sugar collection. And this is a cream lipstick in the color Chocolatier. Y'all know I'm a matte lip girl, but cream lipsticks have been doing it for me lately. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you already know how I feel about this lippy because I'm always raving about it. I've been wearing this brown lipstick pretty much for the past couple of weeks, almost like every day. I haven't really been doing nudes like I usually do for even work. I've been going for this beautiful brown cream color. It's just gorgeous on my skin tone. If you're a little lighter than me, this will work. If you're darker than me, this will definitely work. So I think this is the perfect brown lippy for us brown chocolate girls. Now I'm just gonna fill my lips with this and also go over that liner with the lippy. This is so perfect. Oh my God. Make sure your teeth, you know what I mean? What? You roll up to Thanksgiving like this? What? Your aunties are gonna be like, who does this girl think she is? You know? Lippies, everything. Now, if you don't mind reapplying your lipstick, then this is the perfect lippy for you. Like I said, I am a matte girl, but this cream lipstick from ColourPop is really bomb. I actually really like their cream lipsticks. They're moisturizing, but they're also long lasting. So yes, get into it. You know, just roll up and be like, I'm here. Let's eat. What are we waiting for? You know? Now, the second brown lippy look is for my girls who don't like cream lipsticks, who don't like your lipsticks being messy. And of course, when you're eating, you don't want to be thinking about your lipstick sliding all over the place. So I would recommend a matte liquid lipsticks if you're gonna be eating pretty much the whole night. All right, and for Thanksgiving, I'm hoping you guys will be eating the whole night, okay? So I'm gonna take that same liquid lipstick by Kat Von D in the color Damned. Again, if you have a dark lip liner, that'll be fine. So line your lips. Fill in the corners. I forgot my nose ring. I'll be back. Okay, back to our scheduled program. I am going to take NYX Suede liquid lipstick in the color Downtown Beauty. Now, just letting you know, this brown is a different type of brown. How can I explain it? It's not your typical brown lippy. It's like, I would say it's like a cool brown. Does that make sense? I hope I'm explaining the color right. Downtown Beauty, and it's not a red brown. It's like more of a cool brown. I don't know how to explain colors, y'all, but you guys will see what I mean once I put this on. Oh my God, this is so yummy. Not the taste, just the color. This is not your typical brown, guys. And that's why I love it. Yeah. This is it. You see what I mean? It's like a cool brown, gray brown, right? Sorry, I'm not good with explaining colors, y'all. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, this matte liquid lipstick will not budge when you eating, you gobbling. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta worry about reapplying your matte lippy. Now, if you want to add a little bit more dimension to this look, and if this brown is too scary for you, you can always add a lighter or a nudish type of liquid lipstick in the center part, just to give it a little bit more dimension and depth. And today, I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the color Satin Ribbon. Like I said, I like this just like this, but I'm going to show you guys, just in case you want to add a little bit more depth to it, just add this to the center. See what I'm saying? It's still brown, but now it got more depth. Just love it. So yeah, this brown is like a little bit more edgy than the other one, but I love it. So it all depends on what type of brown look you're going for, okay? That's the beauty of lipsticks and makeup. You can play with your colors and customize it to fit, you know, your own personality. Let me know what you think about this, y'all. Alright guys, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section which lippy would you prefer. The first one, which was the cream finish, or this matte lippy right here. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on all of my social media, including Instagram and Snapchat. Alright guys, enjoy the holidays, enjoy your family, enjoy your Thanksgiving, and hope you guys have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Until next time, bye.